This is the I Ching's answer. First line.
Don't continue for long in that conflict. There may be criticism, but at the end, there will be something good. At the first stage, you have the chance to diminish or to avoid losses. Try to solve the conflict by negotiation. Don't lose the big for clinging to the small. The best action to leave behind a conflict is just that, to leave it behind. To clarify things leads to resolve the conflict. You are going to lose money if you keep on litigating. The one who cannot foresee in the small things loses in the big things. The counterpart is not an honest person.
Be creative. Be perseverant. The mandate of heavens lives in you. Comment and share. Second line.
You decide the conflict is something not practical. You decide to let it go and to go home. The 300 houses of a neighborhood are protected against disaster. The subject is wrong. If you are the subject, you are wrong. Look for a way of negotiating in order to reduce your losses. Save a great fortune in the future. Your plan or project is not good. The subject is not right. If he can step away and retire, then he will avoid conflict. Careless talking will lead into trouble. There is too much on risk. If you don't step back, the loss will be fatal. The subject is the guilty party, and he has no way to win. The case is lost.
When everything is going okay, remember to keep the state of tie. This is bliss. On hard times, hold out hope and trust in yourself. If you need a private reading, the contact mail is below on the description. Third line.
Strengthen oneself by studying virtues from the past creates the skills of persisting. There is danger, but there is good fortune coming. If you serve someone important, don't go looking for conspicuous encounters with him or her. Take your time to review if this situation is repeating. Maybe it already happened in the past. It could be a romantic relationship or a legal action. Remember, so you can repeat the things you did right and to avoid what you did wrong. On politics or about power, the best is to hold back a bit. Any treasons or insidiousness will be discovered. Step back to your former position. Check out if a case of the past can help you. This already happened in the past. Competing for power and benefits isn't advisable in this moment. If the question is about an infidelity, it won't be forgiven when it goes into the light. The modest person will get benefits while the insidious one will harvest fails.
The I Ching is like a log on a big river that will help you get out of troubles. Share this information with the people you love. Give us a comment. Fourth line.
The subject is incompetent to litigate. It is better to get back to the former stage and avoid a legal case and to persist about solving the problem this way. After working on catering for many years, one of the lessons well known by people attending people is to switch places with other friends in case you are not having a good relationship with your customer or client. This is part of the advice, to find someone more suitable. Also, to lessen your anger even if you don't consider yourself an angry person. This always brings benefits. The subject must abandon the belligerent attitude. The subject must change and stick to what is correct. Being of good nature leads to good conditions. Don't consider competing on an election.
We need your support. Your likes and comments is like chi that transforms into good karma. Subscribe and share. Fifth line.
The subject is in a position where he can reconcile the litigation. Very good fortune to the one who can act in moderate and correct way. This is a very beautiful line where you can reconcile the litigation. You just need to be impartial. This line means green light for your project or question. About love, the same green light. Go on. Trust your decisions. You are the best suitable to take decisions. The subject is a great judge or minister, a great character, a competent person who knows how to take reconciliations. Your wish comes true. To be impartial is the great advice. Civil cases will have good fortune.
Heavens will always send help when you need it. You can also help us. Please like and subscribe. Sixth line.
The subject gets the honor title of leader and the leather belt that endorses it. It isn't even noon, and the belt has been taken away 3 times already. This is something that happens very often. The subject gets a little power and he's already going crazy. To lose your ground when they gave you their truth means to lose more than what was achieved. Cheaters sometimes win. This is not the case. The subject loves to litigate and discuss. Even when he wins, he loses more. You work so hard and you cannot achieve anything. The triumph isn't followed by facts. To win and then to turn your own people against you will let you alone and with empty hands at the end. Whatever the subject is able to earn or win will not cover the losses.
Heaven stays together, either day or night. Your mind, your heart, and your actions bring together life. Like and subscribe.